always hear about the importance of detaching in the process of manifestation. Sometimes you wonder, well, how exactly do I do that? How do you let go and just know that something you really want is coming? How do you stop thinking about it? That's the point, right? And I want to tell you guys about a very unlikely example of detachment and how it did strangely bring an interesting manifestation to me. Hi, I'm Lori, your positivity princess. I hope all of you are doing well. I have a quick story for you guys about the power of detaching from the outcome. Okay, so let me start. In the summer, this COVID summer, there was a massive awakening of a lot of people from the 3D to the 5D, or even to the 4D. But there's been a lot of ascending with regard to dimensional levels, or even awareness, right? Okay, so in that, people were taking advantage of that and capitalizing by, you know, creating apps and things that have to do with spiritual ascension, awakenings. There's more YouTube videos and channels about it, you know, kind of people running with that theme. So one app that was new was called Randonautica. So I downloaded it and it sounded really cool. A friend of mine, another YouTuber, told me all about it, and I thought, let's just check it out. Her name's Amanda Jupiter Anderson. You know, go check out her channel too. She's really cool. Anyways, so she told me about it, and she'd been having some interesting experiences. And I started researching it, and other people had interesting experiences. So of course I downloaded it, and I'm ready for my interesting experience. So my son and I, and also my son, he's 10. So he got into it. He thinks it's interesting too, right? He doesn't understand all the the quantum physics side of everything, but he thinks it's cool though, right? Like, you know, going on an adventure by foot. So anyways, what you do on this app is that you let it find where you are on a planet, and then you put in parameters. So maximum is 5 kilometers to walk, which takes a good half an hour to 40 minutes, depending on how fast you walk. But sometimes it'll give you something that's only like a kilometer away or half a kilometer. And those are like 4 or 5 minute walk or an 11-minute walk, something more reasonable, right? So anyways, we went on a few of those. I would say we went on about 8 of them, almost daily at one point. We were really into it. So what you do at the beginning of the walk, before you set out to follow the map, you set an intention. You use as much energy and power as you can as it's kind of coming up with your pinpoint location, or, you know, your destination. You imagine that same intention. I'm going to find something, there's going to be money there, I'm going to feel happy when I get there, I'm going to see something of this color, whatever it is you want. I guess you could either be wanting to manifest something or just manifest proof that this randonauting thing was legit. Anyways, Jacob and I, at first I would start to think of money or cats, you know, because money and cats, like, isn't that the most important? Anyway, I'm just kidding. But yeah, and he would think of Pokemon, okay, every single time, Pokemon. I think it just reminded him maybe of Pokemon Go, so that always came in his head. So in subsequent walks, I thought maybe if we both focus on the same thing, it'll work, right? I mean, lo and behold, after the first walk, neither of us found anything that made us feel like there was any grounds to Randonautica on the first walk. Second walk, third walk, we started noticing stranger things. We started noticing certain patterns or colors or numbers. But I mean, you know, we saw a lot of butterflies during those trips, a lot, like more than we ever see. Okay, so I'm needed inside. I wanted to finish the story. So we went for a walk 2 nights ago. Okay, so I'm talking, we used to look for these, you know, literally look for these Pokemon cards back in July, August. So now it's like November, and we went for a walk. It was 2 days ago, and we saw this. We had completely forgotten about ever looking for Pokemon cards on the ground. We had basically stopped looking for them, okay? So, you know, hence letting my wave of possibility expand and be observable. I stopped looking, we stopped having that intention, and lo and behold, there was the Pokemon card. And when I saw it, it's like a light went on. I thought, oh my God, that's what it means to truly detach. That's what it means. You literally it's like I still wanted to find it because I still wanted that proof that Randonautica has some reality to it. But at the same time, I wasn't obsessing over it or thinking about it. It's like you still care, but you put that desire into the subconscious, you store it there, you forget about it. And then it happens. That's when it happens. The universe wants to surprise you. The universe wants to surprise you. They'll bring you whatever the heck it is, even if it's something ridiculous, like that Pokemon card being there. That to me just proved everything is real. And it feels fabulous. It's like a little bit of an awakening right there. I'm excited. Okay, guys, let me know any of your experiences with the Randonautica or anything with detachment. Just tell me what you're doing or what you do to detach, okay? I'll tell you what I did. I got super busy with this online teaching and making more YouTube videos, and my children and my sister, like there's a lot that you can distract yourself with while you are manifesting, while your manifestation is materializing. Let's put it that way. Okay, guys, I love you. Have a great day. Please subscribe if you have not, and be positive.